They don't know what's happened to all the men. The police just came, they tell us, and took them away during the night, part of the over 1,000 Uyghurs arrested by Chinese authorities. We want them free. We want them free. We want them free. Over and over again, they tell us this is all they want. This woman shows us her husband's identification card. She has no idea where he is. It's a neighborhood clearly feeling the consequences of the rioting from Sunday night. And suddenly the sadness took a more aggressive and violent tone. This government-organized trip for foreign journalists suddenly gone terribly off message. Armed police with guns and electric cattle prods. Soldiers with shields and sticks moving in to contain the chaos. These are complicated ethnic tensions, China's westernmost province populated by these Turkic Uyghurs. But it's the Han Chinese who run the government. Some Uyghurs are separatists, but others are angry over what they feel as their second-class treatment in this country. So ethnic Han Chinese have every reason to fear. The weekend's riots and murders were aimed at the Chinese.